Hi guys, today I'm going to do a demo with the Pat McGrath Labs Luminous Legends Starfall Seduction Quint. It's this beautiful purple and bluish eyeshadow palette, and I am doing this eyeshadow look for you guys today. I'm very excited to play with these colors today. I really love playing with purple, and I'm particularly interested in trying out this bluish color at the end. I will add some links to the swatches videos that I've done on this one and the big palette, somewhere in the description box. So if you're interested in seeing that, please go have a look. What I will be doing today is I'm going to do a full demo, use all 5 of the colors. I will show you how I apply them to the eyes, and then I will go off camera and just finish off my eyelashes and eyeliner. And then I will come back and give you my final thoughts on the application of this eyeshadow palette. I primed my eyelids with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Nougatine or Light 22. And then I just did my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the color Deep Brown. And then I just set my eyebrows with the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Setting Gel. I'm going to start off with Infinite Infatuation. I'm just using a Refer number 1 brush with that. And I'm just going to place that all over the crease and then blend it upwards to use that as just my basic transition color. And just bring it up, not against the brows, but quite high up. Just want a smooth blend with that. And just taking a little bit under the eye as well. Don't really like pinky colors under the eye normally because they tend to make me look a bit sick sometimes or a bit ill. But we're gonna go with it today. I don't have any neutral colors. I'm going to go in with Eternal Ecstasy using that same Refer number 1 brush, and I'm just going to deepen the outer half of the crease with that. It has a bit of a shine, but not enough for me to not use it as a crease color, and I kind of feel like it's not too deep to deepen up with, but not as light as the pink color. And I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush and just close to the eyeball, softly deepen up the under eye. I'm taking some of Pink Moonstone on a flat brush, and I'm just placing it against the brow bone to highlight the brow bone. And then I'm taking it in the inner corner as well and just dragging it here, just the first centimeter of the lower lash line to brighten up there. And just dragging it upwards to just brighten up this inner part of the eye. I am adding some Pat McGrath Intensifies Artistry wand on the lids just to grip the glitter shades a bit more. Just for a little extra oomph and grip. I really want both these shades to pop, so I'm putting it all the way to the edge of the eye. I am taking that beautiful purple Violet Supernova color on a finger, and I'm just placing it on this inner half of the eyelid. Oh, I really love this color, it's so up my alley. I'm taking Neptune Noir on a small pointed brush. This is a Crown Pro C528. I was going to use my finger, but I kind of want to do some more detailed application on the outer half. So I'm just going to pack it all over the lid. Really want to densely pack it on. And then here the outer half, I just want to give it a slight pointed blend upwards and outwards, almost like a cat eye. I'm taking some of that same Neptune Noir on the lower lash line, making a huge mess because I didn't tap it off. I'm just taking a little bit more of the Violet Supernova on a finger and just blending this edge where the two colors come together with that purple color. Okay, that's looking very intense, but I'm going to do some eyeliner and eyelashes. And what I want to do is do some liquid eyeliner and then pack some of this dark blue color on the liquid eyeliner as well. I want to see if it pops out a bit more. So I'm going to do eyeliner and eyelashes quickly, and then I'll be back and show you how I just apply that final layer on the eyeliner. Okay, so here we have the very dramatic final eyeshadow look. I added some of the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner at the top where I winged the eyelashes, and then I added some of Huda Beauty's Creamy Coal eyeliner in the color Very Vanta, and then I just curled my eyelashes and added some of the Maybelline Sky High mascara on the eyelashes before adding some falsies. I think they are the Huda Beauty Hoodie Flare number 25 classic eyelashes, but I will link them in the description box below because I'm not 100% sure. And I know I said I was going to do some of that blue on the liquid eyeliner, but the liquid eyeliner kind of blends into that dark color so smoothly already because the color is so dark that I don't really see the point in doing that. And these lashes are so dramatic, I don't really think I will easily get in there behind them. So yeah, it turned out a lot more dramatic than I expected. However, I think it is a fun look to play around with. I obviously won't do this every time I go out. It's a bit too overboard for me for everyday use or even for going out in the evenings. But I think that you can get away with doing something more simple with this color combination. I definitely will be playing around with this palette more and see if I can do different combinations with lighter colors and more everyday wear type of looks with this palette. I really like the color combination. I love that purple color on the lid. I'm a little bit disappointed with this pink color because it kind of looked like it lost its just the color in the background, but it might be from all the blending and stuff that I did on top of it. Do I think it's a very practical eyeshadow palette to buy? Not at all. I think you can get away with buying a bigger palette with more color combinations. Even the big palette has a bluish color and a purple color that you can do similar looks with, and you have all those neutral colors surrounding it that I think will cover your everyday needs as well. So buying the bigger one is a lot more practical in my opinion than this one. And if you take into consideration the price difference per eyeshadow color, then the bigger one is a lot more bang for your buck when you consider how many colors you get for the price. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this eyeshadow palette? Do you like the eyeshadow look? Would you consider buying an eyeshadow palette like this, or is it just too much of an expensive pay for colors that you will not be wearing often? And then I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye!